President Idris Deby has finally been confirmed dead. Yes, for now we know na president of Chad. And according to confirmation from the National Army of Chad, they say the president the president died because of the wounds. You understand? In go battle. In go back. Listen, no, I know why they repeat this one. No, I know where they go. He died because of the wounds where he get for his body, where he received during the battle. Where he go commanding his army. Now in there for front. And this one happens, you understand, because they too they get nordness. So fight Boko Haram, Boko Haram, Boko Haram. Now so they say. This man died because of that one. So I beg, I don't want to waste una time. Make I not start to talk plenty. I want make una hear am. You understand? From the sources, them mouth. Jeremy, make we watch the video.
Mr. Deby was reportedly killed while visiting troops on the front line of a battle against northern rebels. The 68-year-old came to power in a rebellion in 1990 and was one of Africa's longest-serving leaders.
Marshal of Chad, Idris Deby Itno, as he did every time when the Republic's institutions were seriously threatened, took the heroic lead in a combat operation against terrorists who had come from Libya. He was injured in the engagement and died after being brought back to N'Djamena.
Boko Haram 1, Chad 0. But if you not think this thing, see, forget say Chad be 0, my people. Now this one we they call Presido. This guy person, you know they complete am. Presido. President now for those other I make a no mention name, they know themselves. Because if you they call people where you say this is my leader, this is now this one supposed to come aside. He's the number 1, the champion. Una no yera. Now why they repeat at that time? He lead. Look at that guy again. He lead the war. He lead the battle. This thing. Charlie, some people. I don't know. Why they carry this kind of man put for that kind of country? They for just put this man for Nigeria. Like by now, our life will just better. We for just this. He go fight Boko Haram. Against Boko Haram, in case you don't understand the English, why don't they talk since? Now, why this man die? If all our leaders, if all our so-called politicians, they feel lead by example the way this man do, we no go get problem now. No, where the problem won't come from? Tell me where it won't come from. Because it is very obvious, say, for this Chad, because now many people don't talk, say, but Chad na quiet country, we know it's been long. No, if you they call countries out, you know, say this particular Chad, no be country where they mention every time. They always do on their own. They always, you understand? Imagine if our own be like this. We leaders, they confront. If what they don't stand. Yes, they lead, they front. Imagine say everybody put hand together. We no go get problem. Abeg, Buhari, Briga. Hope you see this one. I know why I call you outside though, because I know what me to say. I don't do this. Your Excellency, sir, with due respect, sir, because I call you outside now because I won't make you copy from this one. From now on, you go they lead Nigeria army against Boko Haram war. I know they look me like that. From now on, you go they lead. If we they go battlefield, we they go fight. Even the smallest fight in this country, you must enter inside. You go there front. This is my people. Before now like this, with the elect president. Those days, I remember those days. When I used to be very young, you understand? That time, now like this with the elect president, not by those ones where go just sit down, they command, they do this one, not by bribe, not by giving people money, not by, you understand? By show us that yes, you are a leader. A leader leads, oh. A leader does not sit down and command. That's why they call you leader, lead. Now from there, I don't say English be many people problem. Leader, lead. But our own, mbanu. person go sit down with him pot belly for one chair with him agbada and him cap wey don fade finish. And our president has said this. No be like that they lead. So I bring this one so that una go learn. See, I need you people to learn. I need you people to adapt to this kind of this thing. Una dey hear me like this because I know say una dey hear me. Politicians or leader, and I know they talk based on Nigeria all over the world. Make una learn from this one. This is a true legend. He's a soldier. When I not saying he been this thing before. Now soldier man, now the blood still there. For now to see say even at this time he still a fight. Decided to he did not mind whether he has a family, whether he has he went, he took it upon himself. But oh no day like that. They go send soldiers, they go send people. When those ones die, they go look for another set, they go send them. When that one die like that. You know they pass that one. No, check out our leaders. You know they pass that one. And right now, so don't go. His son don't make up his mind. Say he must continue from where the father stopped. He say he must kill all the Boko Haram people. I don't even know how he want to do, but my people may just believe say the blood is running. You understand? Maybe not the same blood we did in father body, he did this one body. And a good thing. We know they pray may anybody die, but my people, if we must fight together. No be say some people they fight, some people they sip wine. You no go walk. No, where you don't see am. I beg, when person like this die, you know say na great loss. No be that one, you na go dey cry, gone too soon. President of this thing die, una go dey cry. Why una dey cry? I beg, na very sad news, but at the same time, na very good example for others to follow. Yes, now I bring her outside, and they pay me so bad to say that a legend is gone, but he left good memories and good signs and good examples for others to follow. And I hope say with this one, our beloved president and our politicians, they go follow. You understand? Now, why we need share this video? Share it, make they know, make they learn from today. Very, very important. And why not drop that comment for that comment section? Anything you think concerning this matter. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't go miss interesting content like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.